In this video, I will show you how to delete like videos on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this, as you can see now, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile like this, so now to see your like videos on TikTok, all you have to do now, after you open your profile, tap on this section. As you can see now, here it says like, this last option, tap on it. So after you come to this last, as you can see now, under this last option, as you can see now here is all my videos that I like on TikTok. So to delete a video or to remove the video under the list, that the video that you like, all you have to do now, tap on the video you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this one. As you can see now, let's say I want to delete this video, this Binance video. So as you can see now, after you open up the video, as you can see now, by default the video, as you can see now, you can see this red option means you like the video. So to remove the video on the like list, tap on the like button again. So now as you can see now, the like button turns to white. So now if you tap on this back arrow at the top right side, left side, as you can see now the video has disappeared under the list of the videos that you like or that I like on my TikTok account. So to remove another one, all you have to do now, go and search for video again. Let's say I want to remove this one again. As you can see now, here is it. After I selected the video, as you can see like this one, so tap on this, as you can see now, unlike it. So as you can see now, I unlike the video. If I tap on this back arrow, now I remove the video, as you can see now, from the list of the videos that I like on my TikTok account. So that's it guys, on how to just remove the video under the your like videos on TikTok. For now, there is no any option for you to delete all the videos at once, but you can be able now to just follow this step, do it one by one to remove all the videos. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.